Hi guys, today I will explain how to buy crypto in Binance. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open your Binance application. Once it will be open, take a look on the left top, you can see a Binance icon. Just click on it. And here you will see a lot of options. But from here, you have to tap on the option More Services. Now scroll down, and here is the option of Buy Crypto. Just click on it. On the top, you will see two options. This one is for buying, and this one is selling. Like we want to buy, so therefore I will click on the option Buy. And here I need to enter the amount of which I want to buy the crypto. The minimum amount is 5 USDT. So here, enter the amount. After entering the amount, this one is the crypto which I want to buy. If you want to change it, then click on it. And here select your crypto. You can also search for your own. But I want to buy USDT, and this one is the payment method. Click on it and choose the payment method which you want. Once you've done all, tap on the option Preview Order. And below you can see the option of Preview Order. Just click on it. And then your order will be placed. And you will buy crypto from Binance. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.